How to reset LinkedIn password if you forgot it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to reset your LinkedIn password if you have forgot it. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to the LinkedIn's official website, and over here you need to first sign in into your account if you already have a LinkedIn account and you have forgotten the password. So on the home screen, just simply click on sign in with email, and over here just simply click on forgot password. And now you have to enter the email address with which you have logged in into the account, and you have the account in LinkedIn. So I'm going to enter mine, and you can also enter your phone number if you have it, and click on next, and a verification code will be sent to your email address that you have to copy and paste it right here. So I'm going to open my Gmail account, and over here as you can see that this is the verification code that has been sent by LinkedIn. So just copy this particular code right here and come back to the LinkedIn profile and paste it right there, and click on submit. And over here you will have the option to enter the new password and also retype the password to confirm your action in order to change or reset your LinkedIn password to the new one. And just simply enter the password over here and click on submit, and this way you will be able to reset your LinkedIn password if you have forgot it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.